Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of the Spark Email Editor Pro, and today we're going to talk about another add-on called the Conditional Logic in your WooCommerce email templates. Using this, you'll be able to use some conditions, tailor your email content based on customer details like the user role, order total, payment method, location, and more. So let's get started. Some of the requirements that you should have before you begin this process is that you should make sure you have the following installed and activated on your WordPress site. Number one, WooCommerce, and then comes Spark Email Editor Pro plugin. Then comes this Conditional Logic add-on. This you can purchase by visiting this particular page, and the link to this particular page will be, and the link to purchase this particular add-on will be dropped in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Once you visit the URL and make a purchase, you'll be able to download a zip file of this particular add-on, which you can then install and activate on your WordPress site. So I've already done that step. So let me just go to my WordPress site and then show you how we can install this add-on. You can now notice that I've already installed the Spark Email Editor Pro plugin. So let me just take you to plugins and show you how we can actually install the add-on right now. I have made the purchase as I mentioned earlier. So let me just click on this add plugin and simply drop the zip file that I've just downloaded. As a next step, let's just click on this upload plugin and choose the file. Here you'll be able to choose the zip file that you've just downloaded, which is for the add-on, and then click on this install now button, which will help you install the add-on, and simply click on activate plugin to activate it. Now that the add-on is active, to locate this, you can just go to Spark Email Editor Pro's dashboard. From here, you'll be able to get to the add-ons tab where you'll be able to see all the active add-ons. And here you can notice that the Conditional Logic add-on is currently active. If you click on this open button, this will take you to the license key page where you can activate the license key. All right. Now let me just get back to the Spark Email Editor Pro, the main page. And now let's start choosing one of the templates which we would like to customize. So I'm just going to go for a new order email template. So let me just click on this edit button. This I've already customized a little bit. So let's just see what we can do now. Now inside the editor, you can just hover over any section or column where you want to apply the condition. All right. In this example, we'll apply it to the entire email body. Let me just choose this section. And once I've made my selection, you can simply go to the styles option, which you find on the left. Simply click on this add conditional logic. Now here are some things you need to know. You have condition relationship here, which can be either an and condition or an or condition. All right. So you can make your decision here. I'm just going to go for or, and then simply click on this add conditional logic button and select a condition from the drop down below. You can just go for a user role condition or a country or a total, coupons or payment method, or in fact categories and products that need to be presented in order for your emails. Now let's say you want to show a different message only for a specific user role. In that case, you can just go for this user role condition and then set what the user role should be. So let me just click on enlist and select the user role to be subscribers. So if this particular email has to go only for the subscribers, then you can simply add the condition here. Click on add condition and this will be added as a condition to this particular section. All right. Now that we have added a condition, you can also add multiple conditions if you want by clicking on this add conditional logic button and selecting another condition from here. You can also choose the logic. How should it work? Like if you have multiple conditions here, would you like to have them function with the or option or the and option? All right. So after you have made all that decision, and you can further customize the email as well, just like we do in every other video. And the other few conditions, as we mentioned, can be based on order total. Like if you want to give customers a specific email for orders above $100, then you can do so. If you want to go for a specific payment method like PayPal or Stripe, then you can also make use of that. Likewise, we also have other options that you can explore and choose one that really satisfies your requirement. After you've done that, let me also show you what happens if I add another condition. So let me just click on this conditional logic button again and choose another order total option. And this I'm going to set it to greater than or equal to 100. Now adding this condition again. Now you have two different conditions. Now you can select condition relationship for them. Could be either and or. I'm just going to turn this to and. Right. After you do all of that, like every other email template, you'll be able to preview this by clicking on this preview template button. And you'll also be able to find an option here to send your test email. Once done, you can simply save your template and you can send a test email or preview how the content looks like for different conditions. You can in fact customize the message according to the specific user role that you've set here. Well, I have customized the text here, which goes specifically for the subscribers. So after I have done that, I have saved the template as well. And once you do the necessary changes and save your templates, you can also add these conditions to any other email template and make it more conditional. That's it. Here's a test email or a preview of how the content looks for different conditions in your customer's inbox. Now you know how to use conditional logic to create dynamic, personalized WooCommerce emails that boost engagement and relevance. If you want to unlock more email customization power, get Spark Email Editor Pro and the Conditional Logics add-on from the link below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.